Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Gonna make another video today. My canvas is 14 by 18. I haven't worked on one of these before, so I don't know if I can get it all in screen or not, but I'll be turning it in different directions, so I'll be sure that you can see what I'm doing. First off, painting from my last video. The colors are beautiful, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but the gold left trails all the way up through, and lacing. It's very faint, but you can see it really good in person. So that turned out really nice. Back, should I have my writing out? So today I'm going to flood my canvas with a silver, and then I'm going to do a 2-corner blowout. So let's give it a try. Here's my silver, and I'll be listing all the colors in the description box below, and I hope this works. This is a metallic silver, so we'll see how it looks with the other colors. Said I've never worked on this size canvas. I don't know how much paint I'll need to have it covered, but I hope it's enough. My doggies are outside, so you'll probably be hearing them bark a lot. I bought this spatula or the spreader a while back. There's a few artists that use it and they really like it, and I couldn't get the hang of it. But I got it out and I'm gonna give it another try. I can't seem to find one that I like. Try and get the sides the best I can. It seems to be doing all right this time, I guess. I can always fix my sides up afterwards. Everybody else just seems to skim right over it, and everything's covered really pretty, and I have the hardest time. So we'll see. Okay, that looks good. Now, I'm gonna try with some light colors on one end and some darker colors on the other end. Should have shook these beforehand. I have my hair dryer handy. Gonna see how it works. That was a navy blue, and a light lavender, and this is a brilliant red, and I'll have them listed below in the description box. Hang on, I wanted to grab my white. Always want to have a little white in the mixture. Okay. Let's see what happens. That looks okay, except I hit the canvas right there. Left a hole. Let's fill that in. which I'm good at doing that. go. Oh, that's all right. Okay, now we'll turn it around. We'll get the other side. This is a coral. Shake this a lot. This is worn penny. And this is orange, a cat orange. And I want to put some white in here also. There we go. Now let's see if I can do it without hitting the canvas and tearing it all up. Let's see. I think I want some more color in this one. Put some more. Let's see. Of course, there's a dog hair in there. I think I got it. This one to go up a little bit further on this side. I think I'll leave the orange out this time. Oops, that's a lot of white. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think I'll use my little blower, see if I can get some more closer up, get this spread a little bit better. Take it down this way. There we go. That's looking good. There we go. That's looking pretty good. There we are. Let's see. Can work on my sides, getting them covered afterwards, but I think that's pretty darn good. I hope that on my sides, getting them covered afterwards, but I think that's pretty darn good. I hope that you are doing safe, being safe, and everybody's doing well. Try and give you a close-up of what I can. There's that side. Be around. There's that side. I think it looks okay. Hope everybody's doing good. Like I said, this is a 14 by 18 canvas from Artist Loft. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell and it'll tell you when I put up a new video. And please give me a thumbs up. That helps with my placement with YouTube. We hit 100 subscribers and I'm going to have a big giveaway, so that'll be nice. Leave me a comment if you so desire. Anything you want done, I can be sure and try and do it, or any color combination. If there's any paintings that you want to ask me about, you can get a hold of me through the description box, has all my information. I sure appreciate everybody. And as always, please have a great day.